After the experiments with the plastic piston, which is much lighter than the original cast iron piston, and it also seals very good, I wanted to experiment with further simplifications, and this 3D printed membrane from TPU is a completely fail. It's far too hard, not very elastic, and TPU is not very good for elastic membranes. So I printed this membrane holder and clamped a rubber sheet from an old rubber glove. And I also tried the new flange connection, which is very good for 3D printing. Put a ring with an O-ring between them, and then you put a clamp around it, and so it can seal very good. I hope this will fix my leaking issues I have with the hose connections here. They were never completely airtight, and it's a big problem, of course. I remove the cylinder. Add some new Teflon tape and screw the flange adapter airtight on the thread. A little bit much Teflon tape. I added some magnets in the middle of the diaphragm. Now I connect the membrane holder. It's very fast and easy. I think the membrane is a little bit too thin, but give it a try. Now I start the exhaust fan and light the burner. Start also cooling water and cooling fan, as the heater is quite massive because it's turned and milled on conventional machines. It's quite heavy and needs some time to heat up. So it takes a few minutes to heat up, so 2 to 3 minutes. And we will see. No matter how hard I try, it does not work. The engine isn't starting. I think the membrane is too weak, and maybe it's not tight here. I have to test this. I'll make a small leak test. Very easy setup. This is tight. So there's another problem. I think with the elasticity. The membrane from the balloon has a better tension and much better elasticity. And I think this will work better. You can even feel the air here. Unfortunately, it cracked when I made the holes for the screws. Next try. And the black balloon cracked also. The next nitrile glove also broke. And the next broke also. And just in time while I'm struggling with the next nitrile glove, the mail has arrived. Some big balloons with very nice natural rubber, of course for my daughter, but also for the membranes. We'll see how they work. I made this jig to easily attach the balloon to the membrane holder. Make a small hole into the balloon and put a screw through it and clamp it together. That looks really nice. That looks good. First test with a new membrane. The heater is quite cold. thinking it's oscillating much longer than the cold stage. Yes, it runs. It's running. Like the flames lower. You can hear the sound. The acoustic wave. Unfortunately, there is a loose contact in the Arduino setup, so I can't measure the frequency. But I think it's quite high. Now I have to fix the frequency measurement, and then I'm very curious how high the frequency is compared to the piston, also with different masses. The burner is out now since 7 minutes, and I'm curious how long the engine will run without heating. I think 10 to 15 minutes will be possible. As always, I'm really looking forward to your feedback, ideas and suggestions in the comments and on Discord. If you would like to support the videos and the project even further, you will find lots more exclusive content, 3D models, drawings and files in the members area and on Patreon. Thanks for watching.